Hi there, welcome back to our Canadian Foursquare. Today I'm going to set up the backdrop that I'm going to record in front of for some of my YouTube videos. In last week's video, I cleaned this bedroom, and the purpose was so that I could use this space as a studio for making YouTube videos. So that's what I'm going to do this week, is I'm going to set up a backdrop and play around with lights and distances and angles and see if I can't put together a backdrop for YouTube video recording. I've been watching other people's videos for ideas on how to make a backdrop so that I can record in front of something that's aesthetically pleasing for the eye. I'm going to be setting this backdrop up in my spare room. It's quiet in here, I won't get interrupted, and it's a little bit easier and more comfortable, I guess, to talk to a camera by yourself in a locked room as opposed to in front of people. So a lot better than doing it in the kitchen and waiting for people to leave the house. So it's important to me to set up a space that I can do this so that it allows me to get the videos done and posted each week. So I think I'm going to go with the corner where we have our radiator. There's a nice shelf there. I can put a lamp there for some backlighting. It's beside a window, so there's some side lighting in. It's near a bunch of outlets, so I can plug in ring lights and I can plug in a lamp for backlight as well because there's so many outlets. So it's actually a really good spot. Some things that I'm going to play with are camera distance, ring light distance, angle on the wall, where I place different items in the back. I don't want a lot of clutter. I'm not a big clutter person. Probably just going to have a couple figurines and a lamp and a picture. And we'll see how that goes for now. And it will evolve, I'm sure. But for now, keep it simple. Just work on angles and lighting and where the camera is. All right. I'll go get Sadie and let's give it a try. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this is the backdrop. Oh. Okay, this is the backdrop without the light on. Don't kick that, huh?
I didn't mean to.
Okay. This is the backdrop backlit, yeah.
Yeah.
And then okay, but now, what if you moved forward? So that's what that looks like. Okay, now you move backward. So that's far, so now I need to just move.
Ooh, I like this more.
Now turn the back off. See, it loses depth.
Yes.
I think that looks really bad with the lamp. Okay, so turn the lamp back on. I think it looks better with a bit of extra lighting. Better, yeah, it's better with the lighting. Okay.
Ooh.
What does that look like?
That's like warmer and I kind of like it.
I feel like the blue light looks really bad.
It makes it look like you're watching a movie in the dark.
Okay, turn that backlit.
Hey, that's not bad. But the lamp looks stupid when it's off.
It does. Then turn that light back on. Okay. And then, is that good?
Yeah, lights it up a little bit. I think it looks good.
What if I turned this off now with those lights? How much?
Oh gosh.
No?
Mm-mm.
So this is doing something, right?
Yeah, because backlit washes out your face, makes it darker.
Okay, let's see here. Because I could do this. Is this really close? This is really close. Okay. And then Hold on. It could be. Okay.
I like warmer.
Okay, what if that was gone? It needs something, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, the last thing. Okay, so we go.
I like warmer a lot more.
Yeah.
The like LED blue light kind of thing washes out your face. Oh,
It looks
no.
like death, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really not good.
Okay.
Also, it's harsher on your eyes.
So there's that, or there's still that, eh? I think that color matches the other lamps.
Yeah, so kind of just like
Yeah. Okay.
wing pieces.
Okay, so let's try for me now. Yeah, so here's the difference is I am significantly larger than my child, so that doesn't work. Okay, so we have an issue with this because the ring light is in the picture and the shelf just looks stupid. So I think that's not going to be it. After all that. But at least I know the backlight's better. Having the light on over there is better. Let me just show. That adds, so that's good. But yeah, the ring light looks stupid in that picture. Okay. What about if we go on an angle? So how does that look? What if I... You know what? Hey, Sadie.
Yeah.
Come here.
Coming.
How's this look? So if I go on an angle into the corner, the ring light doesn't reflect. No, don't move. I wouldn't move the curtain.
I like that.
Does it look okay in the actual camera?
Yeah.
Yeah? There. I think that's the solution. So having the going into the corner, I've got some depth. The ring light isn't, it's kind of reflecting in my glasses if I lift my head up, but I don't usually wear glasses anyways when I film, so that's okay. So there, so that's the actual backdrop with me, without me sitting there. I think this is a perfectly feasible backdrop. Okay, so I've moved things around again a little bit and tried to set it up again brand new just to make sure that I'm happy with how things look, and I think I'm pretty happy with this. So we're gonna stick with this particular arrangement for now. Good depth, backlighting. I'll play a little bit with my camera settings so that I am fully making the best use of what my camera can do. And I think I've got it. I think I have a backdrop for now. And yeah, it's pretty good. Thanks, Sadie, for helping me out with this. And we'll see you next time on our Canadian Foursquare. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Please ring the notification bell and give a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. You want to see more videos on me making the most out of our house. We've got some renovations coming up with spring coming, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest at our Canadian Foursquare. Bye.